Dad, I'm gonna bring him back a can or two of Boss coffee, and I figured, why not film me getting it? I'm actually gonna try to get it out of that vending machine. If that doesn't work, I'll just go to a 7-Eleven and some other convenience store and pick one or two up. But there's loud ass crows. Yeah, last week it was pretty cool here, even cold. I had to turn the heater on. And right now it's like it's summertime. I mean, weather can turn on a dime here too, just like Texas. Yeah, it's Wednesday afternoon here in Japan, here in Tokyo. Oh, there's one of those pizza delivery vehicles. See that? Alright, so here's the machine. When the traffic clears up, I'll maybe see if I can get a wider shot of it. But, wait a second. Maybe I'll just get you a can out of the convenience store over here. I'll at least back up and do a wide shot of this thing here in a second. Yeah, it's 130 yen. Alright, what the hell? I'll get you one of these and then a regular looking can out of the convenience store. So here we go. It's about $1.30 in American dollars. There's 100 yen. If I can do this without dropping the change. There's 10 yen. 20. 130, so that's like $1.30. I'll go ahead and get. You know what? I'll get the premium. I'll get the premium Boss coffee here. Here we go. There we go. Oh, it is a can. Okay. It looked like some plastic container on the other side of this thing, but no. So yeah. There we go. There's your premium can of Boss coffee, Dad, and maybe I'll get you one more out of the convenience store, maybe one of the black cans. I'm going to try to see if I can get a wider shot of this thing here in a second. I'm just between these two apartment buildings right here, and yeah, they're all about the same price, about like 130 yen, somewhere around there. So see if I can finally cross the street. Let me get you a wide shot of this vending machine here. Alright. There it is. So this is where I got your Boss coffee from. This street, this little vending machine right here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Gonna head back to the apartment and put this thing in the fridge. This can is actually cold. So I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it refrigerated or not, but I'm sure it'll be all right. I'll go ahead and put it in the fridge here. So Dad, that is your exciting footage of me buying you a can of Boss coffee. So I really got not much left to say here. Maybe a giant crow will pop out and I can film it. there's one of those Kuroneko delivery vehicles. Let me see if I can zoom in on it.